Hello everyone! Ngayon tuturuan ko kayo on how to connect router to computer with internet cable. Ito ang ating Wi-Fi router. Kailangan natin itong i-connect sa PC via internet cable with my Wi-Fi router. Then connect the internet cable to the LAN port of the router. Tapos, connect another part of the internet cable to your computer LAN port. Then, punta tayo sa computer screen. Pagkatapos ay pumunta po tayo sa control panel. Now, click on Network and Internet. Pagkatapos, pindutin po natin itong Network and Sharing Center. At i-click ang Change Adapter Settings na nasa kabilang side. Then, right-click on the Internet and click on Enable. Pag yung internet connection is not turned on, right-click and go to Properties. And then, check the Internet Protocol version 4 box at click OK. I think your internet connection is okay. Ngayon ay pumunta tayo sa browser at i-click yung internet. And now, nakakonect na po siya. Ganyan lang po kadali. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!